Hey, do you want to learn 20 animals in Spanish in just a few minutes? Sí, aprende 20 animales en español ahora. Stay till the end, because you'll be able to say them all confidently. Let's go. Dog, perro, dog, perro, cat, gato, cat, gato, bird, pájaro, bird, pájaro, fish, pez, fish, pez, horse, caballo, horse, caballo, cow, vaca, cow, vaca, pig, cerdo, pig, cerdo, sheep, oveja, sheep, oveja, goat, cabra, goat, cabra, rabbit, conejo, rabbit, conejo. If you liked this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and comment your favorite animal. Si te gustó esto, no olvides dar like, suscribirte, compartir con amigos y comentar tu animal favorito. See you in part 2 for the next 20 animals. Nos vemos en la parte 2 para los próximos 20 animales.